If your kitchen cabinets are overflowing, your pans never stack properly, and you're tired of scrubbing stuck-on food after every meal, you're not alone. Most cookware sets either take up too much space or just don't make cooking easier. Today we're looking at the Carote 9-piece ceramic cookware set with a detachable handle. And this one's clearly designed for people who want a cleaner, more flexible cooking setup without sacrificing performance. Whether you're working with a small kitchen, an apartment, or even an RV, this set is trying to solve two big problems at once: space and convenience. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the color. The Malta blue finish gives it a fresh, slightly modern look that feels different from the usual black or stainless steel sets. It's subtle, but still adds personality to your kitchen. The ceramic coating has a smooth, almost soft touch feel, and overall, the build feels thoughtfully designed rather than flashy. The pans aren't overly heavy, which makes them easy to handle, but they still feel solid enough for everyday cooking. The detachable handle is really the centerpiece here. At first, it might seem like a gimmick, but once you try it, it actually changes how you use your cookware. You can click it on securely when cooking, then remove it instantly when you want to store the pan, move it into the oven, or even place it straight into the fridge. That one small design choice makes stacking much easier, and yes, it genuinely saves a noticeable amount of cabinet space. In everyday use, this set feels very approachable, especially if you're not someone who enjoys complicated cooking tools. The nonstick ceramic coating does a good job with typical meals like eggs, pancakes, or sautéed vegetables. Food releases easily, which means you're using less oil and spending less time cleaning afterward. That alone makes a difference if you cook frequently. Heat distribution is fairly even for this price range. It's not professional-grade cookware, but for daily cooking, it gets the job done without frustrating hot spots. The pans heat up quickly enough, and they maintain temperature well during normal use. The detachable handle feels secure when locked in place, which is important, especially when lifting a full pan. There's a slight learning curve at first, but after a few uses, it becomes second nature. Cleaning is one of the highlights here. Because of the ceramic coating, most residue wipes off easily with a sponge. Even after cooking something slightly messy, you're not dealing with heavy scrubbing. And since the handles come off, you can fit the pans more easily into smaller sinks or dishwashers, which is a surprisingly underrated benefit. Of course, it's not perfect. The nonstick coating, like most ceramic surfaces, will need a bit of care over time. You'll want to avoid metal utensils and high heat if you want to last. The detachable handle, while convenient, is still a mechanical part, so long-term durability depends on how carefully you use it. Also, if you prefer heavier, professional-style cookware, this might feel a bit lightweight for your taste. Compared to other cookware sets in a similar price range, this one stands out mainly because of its modular design. Traditional nonstick sets usually don't offer removable handles, which means they take up more space and are less versatile. On the other hand, some premium brands offer higher durability, but at a much higher cost. This Carote set sits in a practical middle ground. It's more flexible than basic sets and more affordable than high-end options, which makes it appealing for everyday users. So who is this really for? If you're dealing with limited storage, want easier cleanup, and like the idea of multi-purpose cookware that can go from stovetop to oven to fridge, this is a very solid choice. It's especially useful for small households, students, or anyone setting up a new kitchen. But if you're a serious home chef looking for long-term, heavy-duty cookware, you might want something more robust. Overall, the Carote 9-piece cookware set doesn't try to overcomplicate things. It focuses on making everyday cooking simpler, cleaner, and more space-efficient. And for most people, that's exactly what matters. If you think this could make your kitchen routine easier, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense product reviews.